Hi, I'm Terrence, the creator of the innovative door dam system that I am thrilled to introduce you to that can protect your home from flooding. When Hurricane Milton was predicted to hit Central Florida, I knew traditional sandbags wouldn't be enough to shield my home. Drawing inspiration from the time-tested technology automobile manufacturers use to prevent fluids from leaking out of engines and transmissions, I reverse engineered a dam system designed to keep water from leaking into my home, and it worked. That breakthrough sparked a mission to create an accessible solution for the millions of homeowners and businesses who will be facing similar challenges in the future. Since then, I've refined my original design to make it easier for the novice do-it-yourselfers to build and customize. My initial system was tailored to my home, but after countless hours of research and significant investment, I've developed adaptable plans that suit nearly any type of residence. The DoorDam system offers an additional 3 to 4 vertical feet of protection, giving you peace of mind during storms and rains. With these do-it-yourself plans, you can proactively safeguard your home or business, ensuring the safety of your property and loved ones. Don't wait for the next flood to test your resilience. Take control of your home's safety today by downloading my easy-to-use DoorDam plans.